Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you the process of testing the electrical appliance packaging mold with materials. Below is the workflow of this machine. Which takes a total of 1 minute and 35 seconds. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.